In this video, I am going to show you how to fix lobby not found error code 2091 in MW3. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If you want to fix this issue, you need to consider these steps. Number 1. Check server status. Ensure that the MW3 server are online and functioning correctly. You can check this on the activation support website or social media channels. Number 2. Restart your game and console and PC. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Number 3. Verify game files. This ensures that all files are intact and not corrupted. This process varies depending on your platform. Steam, Xbox, PlayStation. Number 4. Update the game. Make sure you are running the latest version of Modern Warfare 3. Number 5. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection with sufficient upload and download speed. Number 6. Try a wired connection. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection to a more stable connection. Number 7. Clear game cache. This can help resolve issue caused by corrupted temporary files. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.